A demonstration of the manufacturing process of non-toxic processes using vacuum polymer casting. The machine for vacuum polymer casting basically consists of the following main parts. Top part of the vacuum chamber, casting mold, melting chamber, lower part of the vacuum chamber that connects the vacuum pump. The vacuum casting technology is based on the principle of complete removal of all gases which emerge when a polymer is heated up and melted. The pellets of most polymers contain water. It is crucial that this water is removed before melting. Usually this procedure is recommended as mandatory by the manufacturers of raw materials for processes. Please pay attention that the polymer is fed into the casting chamber without cartridges, plugs, lubricants, or other auxiliary elements, which tend to seriously increase the cost of manufacturing processes. When the polymer pellets have dried completely, connect the properly prepared casting mold and close the lid of the vacuum chamber. Turn on the vacuum pump and the heating according to the selected mode. The residual water vapor and all the harmful elements which are produced while the polymer is melting are removed at the very beginning of the manufacturing process. Due to this, the released chemicals cannot react with the polymer melt, generating unhealthy compounds. Analysis of scientific literature has shown that the polymers used today for manufacturing processes release harmful substances during thermal destruction, which get oxidized in the air and form toxic compounds which produce an adverse effect on the human body, not only during the first days of using the processes, but also in the long term. Let's give it some more details. Polycarbonate, polypropylene, polyamide, polymethyl methacrylate, acryl. According to scientists, it only produces impact on humans when residual monomer is present. It does not release harmful substances when melting. And acetaldehyde. Let's look into systematic data of the harmful effects generated by polymers produced by casting in the presence of air without removing the chemicals which are released. The vacuum casting process is simple and reliable. Because of the absence of air, this method ensures complete filling of all the parts of the mold with plastic. For the same reason, this method ensures that air bubbles inside the processes are impossible. The casting process is completed. The heater is turned off, air is applied to the chamber, the lid of the vacuum chamber opens, then the casting mold, which has been specially developed by a dental technician, is easily detached and disassembled. The used polymer remains clean. It can be easily collected and used again. The doctor and the patient get an accurate, reliably non-toxic processes, the technician a guaranteed result and maximum cost savings with regard to manufacturing. You may ask any question, get additional information, and order vacuum polymer casting equipment using the email address or the telephone number on the screen. Thank you for your attention and interest to new medical developments.